You can see the overflow script we selected is already queued up here along with the standard Forge Hub tools. We got the confirmation message, "Thank you for using Delta." That means the script is injected and running without any issue. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to get the Delta Executor running on your iOS device. It is super simple and works perfectly, so let's get started. Open up Safari. You're going to want to type in this specific website, imodblocks.com. That's imodblocks.com. Hit go and you'll land on this page. It's a premium tool hub and it looks pretty clean with this dark theme. Just scroll down a little bit until you see the section labeled Executor. Right there, you'll see the blue Get Executor button. Go ahead and tap on that. It's going to take us to the setup page where we need to verify our account details. Open a new tab and head over to rollermons.com/player. Once your profile loads up, look at the address bar at the bottom. You see that string of numbers at the very end of the link? That is your unique ID. Tap it and copy those numbers. Just paste it in the Roblox user ID field and hit the Search User ID button. It'll take a split second to verify your account exists in the database. Next up, we need to pick a script. Tap that drop-down menu. They have a bunch of popular ones preloaded here, so you've got Soluna, Mosel Hub. I'm going to choose Overflow because it's super reliable and has millions of downloads. Make sure the Install Delta box is checked. Click Continue and let it process. And there we go. API connected. It says we have successfully connected to the Delta server. Once that goes through, it should automatically launch the Roblox app. We are back in. It looks like the standard app, but trust me, it's got the executor injected now. Let's find a game to test this out on. I'll just hop into Steal a Brain Rot since it loads fast. But this works on Blox Fruits, Pet Sim 99, basically anything you want to play. Joining the server now, just give it a second to initialize the scripts in the background. It usually takes a moment on the first launch. All right, we are in. You can see the overflow script we selected is already queued up here along with the standard Forge Hub tools. We got the confirmation message, "Thank you for using Delta." That means the script is injected and running without any issues. If you tap the cloud icon, you can search for other scripts directly inside the app. You don't even need to leave the game to find new codes, which is a huge time saver. It's crazy how easy this was to set up. Literally took us like 2 minutes, and now we have full script support on iOS. So yeah, that is how you get Delta on your device. Go give it a try yourself and let me know how it goes in the comments. Don't forget to drop a like if this helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.